Hello guys, so we are a team of four from different parts of the world. We have created this FIR ledger. So the motivation is in India, basically from the rural places, the illiterate people get scanned by the police officers through bribes, or they might change the case statements and tell that this is what they have registered as a case, and they even the police might even change the investigation statements and all those things. So to stop that, we have created this FIR ledger. So how did we do that? The simple idea is we used from the idea of blockchain. We didn't implement a blockchain. We just simulated a part of blockchain using something called hash. So we used hash technology to record all these statements from the from based on the people and also what police are doing, and we find any mismatch. If there's any mismatch between the actions of the police, so we can track them and we can alert to the central authority. So central authority in this case we are assumed as the non-corrupt one. So this is the assumption what we have done in this MVP. We have used mismatch using the sentence transformers here, and we have used hashing using the hashlib library from the Python. So we use fast API as the backend. For front end, we used simple in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We used PWA, which stands for Progressive Web App. So this can be converted into mobile because in rural areas, they might be not laptops. So mobile is the only way to continue to register the cases here. So we have created two buttons here, citizen and officer. So this is a citizen, and here is where citizen can find the key status and what they have shared a description, so that they know that this is what they have shared. And this is the officer. So let me. So this is the officer ID, which is registered in our database. Here we use SQLite 3 as a database. We can migrate to PostgreSQL, but this is just the MVP part. So officer, this is the sign in officer, and this is the assigned cases. So this is the secured hash what we're talking about. We have converted the hash based on the timestamp plus the statement what they have written. So when we want the officers to record their statements, it is only an append only statement because we have made the database such that we can only append the logs. So whatever actions done by the police can be appended. So for example, if the citizen claims that the officer has not done this, we can look into the logs what he has logged, so then we can catch the officer lying. So he can't change, he can only just change the update the status and write who knows like what he has done. That's it. He can't change the statement, he can't do anything. That's how we have designed this application. And this will be and all his alert will go to central authority.